Hello, my name is Alan Johnson and I'm one of the consultants here at Symetri. I specialise in structures and I've been delivering Autodesk training for over 10 years. Today I'm here to talk to you about Symetri's range of Revit structural training courses that are available to accelerate your learning journey in Revit. If you're new to Revit or have been working with it for a short time, then I'd recommend taking the Revit Structures Essentials, which is a 2-day course and provides a great introduction to the basics of Revit. Or we have the Essentials Plus course, which takes place over 3 days. We will take you through the entire workflow of a project using Revit, starting with coordination and linking other disciplines, onto building the structural skeleton with steel and concrete, and then creating views of the model such as plans, sections, elevations. We then take you through adding annotation and detail to the model before documenting it via schedules and sheets. After completing an essential course, or for those who have been using Revit for some time, you may want to gain further knowledge with the Revit Structures Beyond Basics course, which builds on the essential course and covers topics such as loading and placing a steel connection, using phasing for refurbishment, and working with design options. We also have a 1-day reinforced concrete detailing course. You will learn how to add rebar to a variety of Revit elements such as floors, columns, beams and foundations. All our courses are held either in person at one of our training centres around the UK or online via our virtual training platform. Private or bespoke courses can also be held in your own office. So why not inquire about attending one of our training courses now and advance your knowledge in Revit from one of Symetri's expert trainers. We hope to see you on a course soon.